Good morning, children. In this particular class, we are going to talk about different concepts of chemistry, or we are going to discuss something related to chemistry that we observe in our daily life. This is your page 59. First is we are going to have some true and false, which are daily based questions, and we have to tell which one is true, which one is false. So let's start. Steel was first used by humans as a substitute for stone in the Neolithic period. No. Copper was used. Next is gold is the element used in developing photographic negatives. No. Silver is the element that is used. Lime juice contains citric acid. This is true. Substances such as caustic soda and baking soda are bases, chemical opposite of acids. This is true. On the pH scale, they value completely opposite to that of the acids. Then paper chromatography is the method used to separate chemical mixtures on the basis of color. Yes, chromatography itself means the separation on basis of the color. Color distribution is known as chromatography, study of that. Okay. So yes, this is used in the separation of mixture on basis of colors. Next, we will move on to so just go through the true and false, and we have some more of them. Glycogen is the common name of ethylene glycol. This is false. Air is an element. No, air is a mixture of gases and dust particles and other things. Okay, so it is not a element. Nitrous oxide is known as laughing gas. You must have seen it in a few movies that when the nitrous oxide cylinder leaks, it causes some sensations in human beings and they start laughing. Rock salt is a mixture of common salt and artificial food coloring. This is false. The molecules in a gas move only in one direction. This is again false as they randomly move in many directions. Air molecules cannot stay in a particular direction or move in a particular direction. The air molecules you can see around yourself also, and they keep randomly moving in one or another direction. Next, we have Phillips. Lightest and simplest, most commonly found chemical in universe is hydrogen. Then the chemicals are organized in periodic table in the order of increasing atomic number. They are placed in increasing atomic number. Solid carbon dioxide is dry ice which is used in extinguishers. At minus 40 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit and Celsius scales show same reading. This is true. And the chemical process in which solid being changed into gaseous state is known as sublimation. An acid mixture that dissolves gold is called aqua regia. Okay, aqua regia is the acid mixture that dissolves gold in it. Okay, so these are some of the basic concepts that we must have observed in our daily life also. For example, sublimation change from solid to gaseous state when it changes. Okay, dry ice. Then next we have plaster of Paris, the fine white powder used for cast in mouth is produced by heating the gypsum. Gypsum is obtained, sorry, plaster of Paris is obtained by heating gypsum. Then carbon is in different forms. The diamond that you see, the graphite that you use in the pencils, they are all the form of carbon. Then xenon, it is an extremely rare chemical element that gets its name from Greek word that is stranger. Its atomic number is 54, I guess. It means stranger. The solubility of a gas in water decreases with an increase in temperature. As the temperature increases, the solubility of a gas in water decreases. Okay, these are the basic concepts that you need to know and you need to learn them properly. Just go through these true and false as well as the fill-ups. Tidbits: a catalyst increase the rate of a chemical reaction without itself being consumed or altered by the reactants. Catalysts are used to speed up very slow chemical reactions. Enzymes are called biocatalysts. They are proteins found in living organisms that speed up the biochemical reactions. The enzymes in saliva, for instance, speed up the conversion of starch to glucose. So catalysts are basically the things, the chemical reactions that the reactants which speed up a process in the chemical reactions. Also, we have in our body some catalysts and they are known as enzymes in our body. For example, which changes from starch to glucose. Thank you. Just go through the video once again. If you have any query, leave in the